And I seen all these wonderful portraits in pastels, and I thought, oh, look at the detail you can get. I really want to do that. So I bought the pastel pencils, hadn't a clue what I was doing, no clue whatsoever. So I thought, okay, I think I maybe need some help. And I'm sure it was on the Canine Portraits page that I found you seen. And I thought, this is the person I need in my life. So as I say, I had no clue. I didn't know anything about blending or anything. The only coloured pencil I'd ever used was when I was doing dot to dots and colouring in. So anyway, I thought, right, okay. So I done one of your 3-day courses, and it was magical. I thought, wow. So I was like, right, I need to join this art club. So I did, and the journey has just been incredible. From going from absolutely nothing to now, I do so many commissions. I've had 2 art exhibitions.
Wow.
And the confidence that you gave me to actually attend my first portrait as well, which actually sold, and I was just like, oh my God, this is wonderful. And so after my year was up, I left for a while, and I was still doing my art, but I missed it so much. So I came back. It's mind-blowing, but I absolutely love it. And I converted our spare room into my art room. And it's now, everybody knows that this is my happy place. And friends even bought me a doormat that says, "This is my happy place." So every time I walk in, I know I'm in my happy place. Yeah. One thing that really I'm so pleased about was I lost my soul dog just over a year ago. And it broke me for a long while. But what helped me mend was the fact I could do a portrait of her. And it's huge. It's like 50 by 70. I went, go big or go home. And it's hung in the sitting room, and I see it every day, and it makes me smile because I did it. And it's just, I could never have done that without Art Club. It's just a brilliant place to be. And the Facebook group as well. That's brilliant because it's like being in a big family. It's fun. Everybody encourages everybody else. And if you get stuck or you need help, you just ask, and everybody helps each other. And it just helps everybody grow in confidence. And it's just such a good place to be. It's my other happy place. If you're going to think about joining Art Club, as everybody said, just do it. Just do it. I mean, I could never have achieved this without being in Art Club. It's just taken me from absolutely zero knowledge to exhibitions and selling art, which is just, it just blows my mind. It's a wonderful, wonderful experience. Absolutely fabulous.